European side, we go to the half of Bosphorus. After the second bridge, we cross to the Asian side. On the Asian side, we have a short stopover in a small neighborhood called Kanlıca. Center of Beşiktaş. Interior design is much more modern. It's the biggest and newest mosque of Turkey, also from 2020, and has a capacity of 63,000 people. Known as Rumeli Hisarı, which can be translated as the European fortress, and it was built by the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed II in 1452 as a part of his conquest when he was planning a siege to Constantinople, but all the lands around the Constantinople and all the lands around the Bosphorus were taken by the Ottomans already. I think because of its location, now it's stayed under the bridge.
I didn't have time this morning to vlog about my day, what I was going to do today, but you saw I'm in a yacht tour, a cruise on the Bosphorus. At the moment I am on the Asian side of Istanbul. We have about 20 minutes to spend here and go back into the boat. It is really good. The weather is lovely today, it's just so worth it. This is our guide for today, Sargon.
Hello.
We are now on the Asian side of Istanbul, and Sargon brought us in a very nice place.
We are in now Kanlıca, and Kanlıca is famous with its yogurt. The Turkish yogurt here is like homemade yogurt. This place has their own factory. They are producing themselves from the cow's milk and the buffalo milk also. And they have different toppings like honey and jam and powdered sugar, or you can just eat it as it is. It's a very nice place indeed.
That's amazing. I'm gonna try it now. But looking forward to it.
Yeah, okay. I'm sure everybody is starving now.
Yeah.
Right, Professor.
Nice. It looks dense.
Dervishes.
Yay.
İyidir abi ya, ne olsun.
Yummy.
Bunlar bayağı yoğunum yani. Bugün de aslında
Thank you so much.
değildim ama.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
So the traffic, because of the cargo ship traffic is very busy, the Turkish government made a regulation 20 years ago. Now they don't allow there's one way only, the half of the day. Other day